Hi everyone. Um, Message from me. I've finally moved into my new house, and there is still a lot of things I have to do here. I have lots and lots of bags and how do you call it, boxes that I have to unpack, and there are so many cupboards that have to be assembled. So there is a lot to do, but in between I do crochet a bit, and I wanted to show you what project I am working on and what to expect, I hope quite soon. It is something that I especially designed for the stone washed, river washed color pack from Scheepjes. And yeah, you know, I've seen this box so many times, and every time when I looked at it, I was like, oh wow, I really, really want to do something with that. So what I did, I started practicing and designing a pattern that could be used to have these little balls used up. And well, it is a really simple design. And well, the fun is in how to use the colors with each other. This project is interwoven crochet that is worked in the round. I have a tutorial on my website where you can already learn how to do this. So you can check that out. There are videos with it in descriptions, and in these videos I also show you how to assemble these blocks together here with the join as you go method. So and I will show you something more. You know, you have these solid colors of these stone washed and river washed balls, but when I was finished with a block, I had some left over, and I really hated the idea that to throw it away. So what I did is that I used the colors of that are in this row. I used it for an end block at the end of the row where I combined these colors, and you know, it really makes it very fun to see how that worked out, and I will show you a little bit more. And here I'm doing this with my mobile and I'm sitting in the yard at this moment because today it's such a lovely day, and we decided that we would take a break today. So well, you can see here that how it looks so far. And well, of course, I will make descriptions of this pattern. I will work on videos. I hope that I will have time to do this in the coming weeks. So you may have to wait still to wait a little still, and well, it is all going to come. And well, and before I forget it, I also want you to show the back side of this pattern. As you know, with interwoven crochet, you can you have a different pattern on the back side, and I will also show you how this looks with the blanket. And you know, it's very, very lovely. The effect that is here, it's, well, I like it very, very much. So well, also if you have never done interwoven crochet, this might be a good starting point. Did I mention already that I have this tutorial? Yes, on my website for working around, but this time this center that you see here will be a little bit different, and actually I find it more pleasing to see, and also a little bit easier to do. So I will explain also how to do that. And well, that was about this pattern. If you're a Scheepjes fan, I also have on Ravelry a wrap that's very, very nice. I made that with a whirl and with the solid color combined with it. I will put a video or a picture of that in this video. Check it out on Ravelry if you like, because it has become one of my favorite wraps to wear during this time of year, because of the it's the airiness and the material, and it's very, very nice to wear. So I will also show you that. And well, I will continue crocheting and making all the stuff for the pattern to release it. And wow, do you see this? I made a mistake. Oh no. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed it and so far, and well, hope to see you soon. Bye.